Hey everyone, this is a sound test for the Lahuna electric acoustic ukulele, available on Amazon. I love the detail on this. It's a beautiful build. Let's hear the sound. It's got great sound, great tone, great resonance. So beautiful, kind of hard to play while I'm filming a video, but you get a gist of the sound. Sounds great, looks great. I love that it's electric. I've never had a ukulele that I could plug in. I'm so excited about owning this. Definitely gonna play some cool classics on this and have a lot of fun. So take care, check it out on Amazon.